Alright, so today we have a lot of things to do. I had to leave my car last night in the parking lot because it started to snow out of nowhere. Pretty crazy snowstorm, and my car is terrible in the snow. There is quite a bit of snow out. Yeah, it's a crazy snowstorm. Whew, it is snowing a lot. The snow is really bad. So my girlfriend came and picked me up, so we need to go get my car. I think she also wants to go to the bookstore, so we're gonna check that out as well. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. My girlfriend left me in the car with the windows up. It's getting hot in here, even though there's snow out. Ooh, this does smell like marshmallows. Oh, this is awesome. Very vibrant colors. So it's super awesome. We were going through all of these back roads and we came across a Buddhist temple. We're definitely going to be checking that out in the near future. It was awesome. So we were driving through these back narrow roads in like backcountry Pennsylvania, and there's forest and there's farmland, and then all of a sudden this big red building comes out of nowhere with all of these statues and kids playing in the snow, and it stood out. We're definitely going to be going to this Buddhist temple. I've never been to a Buddhist temple before, and she's never been to a Buddhist temple. I just went to their website, and it is not in English. That means it's pretty legit, so we're definitely going to be checking that out. Alright, book time. Back at the Stang, Erica dropped me off here, got some books, and we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Oh, on the ground. Let's see what my fortune is today. Integrity, look at that. Oh. Integrity is the essence of everything successful. That's a pretty good one.